Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot: which bank is called Capital One? I know, it seems like a simple question, but I'm always surprised by how many people don't know the answer. So, let's get started. What is Capital One? Capital One is a bank that is based in the United States. It was founded in 1982 and is now one of the largest banks in the country. Capital One offers a variety of banking products and services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, credit cards, loans, and mortgages. Where is Capital One located? Capital One is headquartered in McLean, Virginia. It has over 1,000 branches in the United States. Who owns Capital One? Capital One is a publicly traded company. Its stock is traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the symbol COF. What are some of the products and services offered by Capital One? Here are some of the products and services offered by Capital One. Checking accounts, savings accounts, credit cards, loans, mortgages, auto loans, student loans, business banking. What are some of the benefits of banking with Capital One? There are a number of benefits to banking with Capital One. Some of the benefits include low fees, competitive interest rates, excellent customer service, a wide range of products and services, a strong reputation for financial stability. How can I open a Capital One account? There are a few different ways to open a Capital One account. You can open an account online, by phone, or in person at a Capital One branch. What are some of the things I need to know before opening a Capital One account? Before opening a Capital One account, there are a few things you should know. These include your credit score, your income, your employment history, your current debt obligations. What are some of the fees associated with Capital One accounts? Capital One charges a variety of fees for its accounts. These fees include overdraft fees, monthly service fees, and ATM fees. How can I contact Capital One? If you have any questions about Capital One, you can contact them by phone, online, or in person. I hope this video has been helpful in answering the question which bank is called Capital One. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back soon with more videos on personal finance. If you're interested in learning more about Capital One, I encourage you to visit their website or give them a call.